Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Zaria Selena. I got some coffee in here from like a week ago. There's a fry on the floor over there. Can you even see it? Yeah, there's a fry on the floor. She's on my jacket. There's stuff everywhere. We're gonna get this car cleaned and decluttered and whatever. Let's hop to it.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me.
And y'all, look at this coffee. Do y'all see that? That is so disgusting. Ugh. Right here I just have these clear covers off of my dash pad for my camera, and then in the next couple of seconds you'll see me pull off the ear loops for these masks, and I just use these as spare hair ties because I have to have my hair tied back for work and lab, so just in case I run out I do this.
Don't you love when I come around?
Now, I need Miss Fancy to watch out the way. Come here, Mama. Come here. Let's put you on the floor, okay? Okay, so I got her on the floor, and I have no clue what's over here. No explanation. No explanation. Opening up the rear back seat. This is what we are dealing with. I have trash that needs to go out. This is my work bag, and this is for my physics lab. And I have two purses back here, and just a whole bunch of other stuff. Like, what is even going on back here? So let's go ahead and tackle this, because this is just the main problem.
You change overnight, you out of sight, you magnified, you're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying.
I have another one of these This one is empty. A pink bandana. And the dog seatbelt. And some socks just in case you want to go bowling or skating or something. I always kept some socks in here. And a toothpick that I cannot reach. But if I take all this stuff out, this is how my backseat is supposed to look. And this is how it's supposed to be. Just nice and put together. And over there, I have 2 packs of wipes, my umbrella, and an extra face mask. And that's all I'm gonna keep back here. And I also have my hooks back here as well. And this is Sergeant Fuller and my dad's hat. Now, the next thing that I want to tackle before I tackle the trunk is my armrest. My glove compartment is fine, but my armrest is a little cluttered, so I'm gonna see what all I can pull and organize out of there. Fancy, come here. This fool went in the road. Come here. You need to stay in here with me. Okay, and now I don't remember what this smells like, but I'm gonna open it and we're gonna see, just so I can get rid of it. I don't think I liked this one, but I spent my money, so we're gonna use it. And I'm gonna just open the whole thing, that way I can use up faster. Yeah, I don't like this. The cherry blossom honey. I mean, just look at the car. It is so dirty. Just dirty. Now let's go open it up. Look at this, y'all. Look at this disaster. Y'all see this? Just a disaster. And we're gonna get it straight though. everything is now cleaned out, and to disinfect my seats, I'm just using this Max cover. Disinfect my seats and stuff because my book bag is in here most days, and disinfect my floor. And I'll be doing this again because I work in a hospital, so I have to make sure my stuff is clean. Just do the back as well. So this is the shebang that I was able to come up with. I only have one bin with too much stuff in it, so this is just the best it's gonna get. Now this is the after somewhat. I need to vacuum now.
I wanna be in your lane. I can be real good. Please don't get these feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge. Girls need love.
I do need to get a microphone because I feel like all the outside noise is just too extra. So we're about to go. We're about to go, Fancy. And I got my dog with me. I'm gonna put y'all in the dash so y'all can see, even though y'all probably already seen this before in my previous vlog, like my productive something like that. Let's go ahead and get out of here. Oh my gosh, there is a line to get vacuumed. Oh my, I'll be there later. Yo, are you serious? There is, wow, I can't even vacuum my car. I can't even vacuum. I have to vacuum at home. That is terrible. If you guys have not paid attention, I forgot to put this in my video that I'm doing a giveaway once I hit 100 subscribers. I am at 99 currently. This is actually the day that this video is going up that I'm recording this. If you have not seen my about page on my channel or in my description box in my last couple videos, I said that once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. And so the giveaway is going to be an Amazon gift card. And all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and when you follow me on Instagram, come back to this video and comment your Instagram name as well as a video suggestion you would like to see me do. So that's all you have to do is just subscribe, follow, and comment. But you have to comment what I said unless you're not going to be qualified to get in. But y'all have until April 1st at 11:59 p.m. to do all of those steps in order to be entered into the drawing. So the drawing, I'll be doing it in my next video. That video will be going up on April 2nd at 3 p.m. And once that goes up, you have 24 hours to respond to my DM. If you do not respond in 24 hours, I'll be choosing another winner to get the gift card. So just be on the lookout for my video to make sure that you won. Be on the lookout in your DMs to see if I message you. And good luck. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.